All right, Toyota RAV4. We gonna do a CV axle on it, and we gonna try to knock it out as fast as possible. As you can see, we have an elusive animal who boo-booed right here. So we got hella flies. So we gonna hurry up and get the hell out of here. So we gonna do this in real time. Let me show y'all how fast we can knock it out and get the hell out of here. Where's he gonna get that old wheel off? Put that jack stand under there, son. Safety first, huh? That way. About right there. That'll do it. All right. So we're gonna find our good old, find our 21, because this is a Toyota. Come on. I want to see what the deal is. Hold on. Too close. All right. Oh, man. Mr. Fly on the wall. Real way up. All right. So, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go ahead, start breaking this bad boy down. Now, I'm familiar with this car, so I already know what it pretty much needs. So you're gonna look at your old tool bag and find your 14 first. If I can find mine. There it is. All right. Make sure you hold the camera steady, my boy. 14, like I said. But the boat disappeared in there. Didn't know what the hell was going on. It's like a jungle over here, man. It's like the Fort Worth Zoo, man. I swear to, like I say always, you put the boat back, man. You always put the boat back, man. Don't play. You do that there. You know, put that down. Put that right there like that, down. You know. Right? And then you're gonna take this axle nut off. Can't remember exactly what size it is. Oh, what do you know? Pound that booger off, no diddy. Pushing back, you know. See where we at. All right. So now, this is the part that you gotta kind of cheat on a little bit, you know. You're gonna take this off here. Well, let me see. No, we're gonna do something a little different, huh? I'm gonna take that off there. Can't remember what size that is. Can you see off in there, son? I know the doo-doo is getting to you. Go grab the hammer for daddy real quick. Appreciate you.